Okay, back with some breaking inputs coming in. It's a big claim made by Praful Patel on Sharad Pawar. The senior Pawar's longtime aide who left his fold and became part of Ajit Pawar's camp after the split in the NCP says Sharad Pawar was also almost ready to join them and enter into an alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party when they met him shortly after the split. Praful Patel says that Sharad Pawar always hesitates at the last minute and that this hesitation has also resulted in him not becoming the Prime Minister, which he could have done in 1996. It's a massive claim being made by Praful Patel. So Praful Patel, a long-time aide of Sharad Pawar, who is part of the Ajit Pawar NCP now, has made a startling claim on Sharad Pawar. And in fact, remember, several netas have earlier spoken about this, but this is coming in from a close confidant, now part of Ajit Pawar camp. Praful Patel says Sharad Pawar was almost ready to join the BJP in an alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party, but he hesitated at the last minute. What he's trying also here to project is that this is not the first time perhaps. This has happened in the past as well, that Sharad Pawar probably wanted to enter into an alliance with the BJP, but he hesitated at the last minute. Praful Patel also goes on to say that this hesitation of Sharad Pawar has also resulted in him not becoming the Prime Minister, which he could have done in 1996. Listen in.
2 जुलाई को जब अजीत पवार साहब और हमारे मंत्रियों ने शपथ ली इस सरकार के, आज की सरकार के साथ, तब 2 जुलाई थी। 15-16 जुलाई को हम 2 बार पवार साहब को मुंबई में मिले, निवेदन किया। पूना में एक उद्योगपति के घर में पवार साहब की, अजीत पवार साहब की भेंट हुई। वो भी कहीं ना कहीं 50% तो कम से कम तैयार हो ही चुके थे। कहीं ना कहीं मतलब संकोच कर बैठते हैं आखिरी वक्त पर।
Is joining us with more details. Arunil, good morning. You know, as far as I can recollect, this is not the first time that a neta has made this claim that Sharad Pawar was almost ready to enter into an alliance with the BJP. But this is definitely coming in from a close confidant of Sharad Pawar, who of course is now part of the Ajit Pawar NCP.
Well, certainly, yes. Good morning to you, Swati. Praful Patel was formerly a close confidant of Mr. Sharad Pawar. In fact, when he joined Ajit Pawar camp as well, it was seen as an unexpected move. This is not the first time when this kind of a claim has been made. Ajit Pawar himself, when he had separated from Sharad Pawar, had said that Sahib, that is Sharad Pawar, was also 50% keen on joining the BJP. In fact, Ajit Pawar was asked to speak to the BJP on the instructions of Mr. Sharad Pawar only. Praful Patel basically saying that at least 50% Sharad Pawar was okay with joining the BJP. The BJP basically has given out a reaction. BJP's Ram Kadam saying that these statements by Praful Patel prove that Sharad Pawar was also impressed with the work and the stature of PM Modi. However, just before the run-up to the crucial Lok Sabha election, such kind of a comment being made.
Right. All right, Arunil, thank you very much for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a very short break, but news and updates will continue.